Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and I'm on the daily time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, we've been extremely sideways, but at this point, it probably is going to go up and try to grab some of these higher highs for liquidity. It still looks to me like impulsive down, and then maybe like three up, three down, one up like that. Maybe a liquidity grab before we finally do make that big move to the downside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, if you zoom out a long ways on the 1 hour, you can see that the market made big impulsive down and then it made one, two, three up, one, two, three down. So it's like three waves up, three waves down, and now potentially we're in like five waves up, which likely will take out the high in the first three waves. So I would definitely still be recommending longs for now. If it goes up and grabs this liquidity, then breaks structure to the downside on the 1 hour time frame, then you could start looking for shorts. But for now, I am definitely still bullish, at least on these sort of time frames temporarily, looking for longs until we can identify the end of this correction. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.